Hello guys, this is Ang Bisaya Salimania and today we're going to have unboxing and table setting. So this is what I received this Christmas and we are going to unbox this one. So it's a Michael Kors tote bag and color yellow. It's small, very nice. I love the bag. It's very small and it's very handy. So I love it. And they have also crossbody. You can do it as a crossbody. They had a handle on it also. So I think it's really nice bag for spring and summer. So my second gift is from Hunkelmuller. It's a lingerie store and I love the store. That's why I have a membership club on it. So I can get a discount or anything that is for membership good. And I love the stuff there. So here it is. So I received black color underwears and it's really nice. I love it. So this is my third gift that I received. Actually, I just bought it for me as a gift for myself. So I love it. This is a Coach wallet, and it is very practical wallet because it has handle on it. And you want to go for party, or you can use it like if you want to go shopping. It's also a crossbody. It's like shall we call it wallet chain. So I love it from Coach. So I hope you like it too. So guys, this is my simple table setting, Christmas 2022. And it's a pink metallic with silver, and I love the simple color, so that is it.